Is this your skateboard?
We'll play pop music, because everybody likes it. We'll play pop music, because everybody likes it.
Yes, they've got to come and help.
This radio usually works.
Do we have to listen to pop music now? We have to listen to pop music now.
We have got to fix our computers by ourselves.
Wow, the stove is working now.
We have got to finish these chores by ourselves.
Oh my gosh, the fridge was off all night.
That computer never works. So, you can take it.
They've got to wash the dishes after lunch.
They've got to wash the dishes after lunch. We have to finish these chores. God have by ourselves. Put your skateboard under the bed, Maria.
They've got to finish their chores before bed.
Do we have to listen to pop music now? Do we have to listen to pop music now? Do we have to listen to pop music now?